You want to skip the common and boring beef and potatoes? I'll show you how to turn them into a sizzling one-pan flavor bomb in 30 minutes or less with simple ingredients you probably already have. We need 1 pound of ground beef, 4 to 5 Yukon potatoes or yellow potatoes, small yellow potatoes, half a red onion diced, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, handful of fresh baby spinach, 1 can of diced tomatoes in juice, can is 14 ounces, 1 to 2 jalapeno, either sliced or diced. If you want it less spicy, use 1, remove the seeds, and then dice. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, about 2 to 3 scallions sliced, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And then I have some spices that you'll see during the preparation of the dish. All right, let's get going. This hearty and healthy skillet makes 4 servings, and each one clocks in at just about 384 calories, depending on the portion size. Plenty of fuel without the heaviness and easy to customize. Keep in mind, kale also works great instead of spinach. Just chop it small and saute it a minute longer. Don't like heat? Skip the jalapenos and leave out the cayenne pepper for a milder version that still delivers bold flavor from other spices. If you enjoyed this one pan beef and potato skillet, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know how you made it your own, whether you swapped in kale, skipped the heat, or gave it your own twist. I would love to hear about it. I also invite you to check out my other videos for more easy, bold skillet meals and links to some of the keto kitchen goods that I use regularly. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.